I shall. Train, late, waiting. 8. Great, afraid, made, mistake. Day, say, date, away. April, today. May, take. Conversation. Hey, this train is late. I've been waiting here for ages. Which train are you waiting for? The 8:15 to Great Plains. The 8:15. I'm afraid you made a mistake, sir. A mistake. I take this train every day. The train to Great Plains leaves at 8 o'clock. 8. At 8 o'clock 8. Where does it say that? Right here. Train to Great Plains 8 o'clock 8. They change the schedule. They change it. I guess they changed it while I was away on vacation. They changed the schedule at the end of April, sir. Today is 8th of May. So the train isn't late. I'm late. Exercise. Today I want to eat a lot of fruits. Today I want to learn English 1 hour. Today I want to do exercise at gym room. Today I want to go out with my friends. Today I want to go to market.